2020 is ticking down, guys. The time is almost over and we're so happy, okay? 2020 has sucked. It has been terrible for a lot of people. A lot of people lost their job. A lot of people aren't working. A lot of people get paid less money. Whatever it is, guys, a lot of people have been affected. I'd say probably about 99% of the world, okay? But that 1% that wasn't affected, let's talk about them for a second, okay? The one thing that I can think of right now that did better during 2020 than anything else is Amazon.com, okay? Now, Jeff Bezos has gone up $40 to $50 billion, his net worth, in the year of 2020. Now, why I'm saying this is because, guys, there are breadcrumbs of that $40 to $50 billion, okay? There are breadcrumbs being left everywhere. If I could get 1% of $40 billion, I would be completely happy with that, okay? Now, what I'm saying this for is that 2021 is going to be the year of opportunity. Now, what I mean by that is some of you still won't have a job, and I'm sorry, but it's true, okay? Some of you still don't want to go outside, and that's cool, I understand. It is crazy out there. People are freaking insane. People aren't wearing masks, whatever it is, guys. People don't want to go out. So what I want to say with this is that the year 2021, guys, there is an opportunity for you to start getting the money that Jeff Bezos has. Not all of it, I'm not saying that, but you can get the breadcrumbs, all right? The breadcrumbs of Amazon FBA is insane, okay? This whole year, this 2020 year, right, we have had a safety net of our Amazon business, okay? We have been getting payments every single month from Amazon for selling products during 2020. We were not affected. We were not making less sales. Everything was going better for sales on Amazon during the year of 2020, okay? And so what I want to say is that that opportunity can be yours as well. In the year 2021, guys, you want to change your life. You want to do better. You want to make more money. You want to help your friends and family. I understand it all because I want that too, okay? Now, all I'm saying, guys, if you click the link below, you can learn how to sell on Amazon. You can take the steps that are needed to be taken to start getting those breadcrumbs that Jeff Bezos is leaving behind. So don't forget this, guys. The pandemic has sucked. 2020 has sucked, but 2021 is your year to start a business just like we did selling on Amazon. Click the link below and learn more about it. I'll see you there.